Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Just a quick look at XRP today here. As always, before we begin, please do give a cheeky little like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And with that being said, let's take a quick look at the daily chart here. We can see here, if we just take a look at the macro, you can see my analysis that has been drawn in for such a long time now. Clearly got this bear market resistance that we're still stuck under here from the previous bear market. Obviously, we still have the overall all-time high back in 2018 up here at around $3.40. You can see currently sitting at around 50 cents. We've really been hovering around that 50 cent mark for a good while here, but you can see obviously during the bear market we come down, big capitulation down to around what we're looking at here, 30 cents. Coming into a little bit of a range here, we come up, test the first bear market resistance, FTX collapse happens, we come down, retest the low at 29 cents again, start making our way back up, we get the breakout and retest of that first bear market resistance from the previous bear market here. You can see that big wick down to test the low, followed by, you know, basically the start of the year we had this 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of 5 move pattern to the upside for most cryptos, didn't we? You can see at the start of the year a big move up, consolidation, another big move up, consolidation, and then we've come up here and we've basically got stuck under this 55 to maybe, you know, up towards around 58 cents really. There's a big resistance here, which was this previous support. Also happens to be the 0.38 Fibonacci at around 85.5 cents that we did go up and touch pretty much perfectly along with that bear market resistance. We got rejected, we come down again towards that previous swing high resistance as support. We test support, we come back up, we get stuck in under this level again here, putting in a little bit of a range right now, and we are at decision time again, aren't we? Because we're coming back up towards testing that bear market resistance again, and now it's a lot lower down at around that 50 cent mark. So I think realistically here we could see ourselves breaking up, potentially up above this bear market resistance fairly soon and heading up if we do continue to see a fairly nice bullish momentum in the markets. Bitcoin's looking quite good right now, looking like it might break to the upside. If that's the case, potentially could see something with XRP as well. The Ripple lawsuit looks like it's starting to come to a close as well. If that's the case, we could see further upside and a continuation going into the bear market 2024. But in the immediate short term, what we're looking at here really just stuck under resistance. You can see I've got this trade still open from before. I did have a long position ready, as I said, down back towards that 0.23 at the bottom of the range yet again, down at around that 45-ish cent level. I think as I said before, I had this one a little bit higher up because I didn't want to miss out on a potential move. So you can see here we came down, I got filled, we bounced up, we came back down to break even, and now sitting in a bit more profit here under resistance. I may well close this. I'm just going to set my stop loss just below this daily candle here, because we probably are going to get rejected and continue down again, aren't we? So right now, taking profits here, and obviously my overall take profit at the top of the range if we do break the bear market resistance as well. But right now XRP really coiling up under that resistance, potentially ready for a move to the upside in my opinion. So that is it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, join the YouTube community, and I'll see you in the next video.